Everybody's getting set for the big flood. Waters are rising on the Assiniboine River, and the bags are being packed and built around all kinds of buildings. People are grabbing all their stuff and moving out, and we're getting set. The water's coming. Saskatchewan has released a whole shitload of water into the Manitoba system, and wow, look at this. This is almost up to the road here already. Unreal. This water has sure risen many feet in the past few days. The last time I took a video was on the 5th, and this bridge almost seems to be to the point where they're not going to be able to allow people on much longer. Grab your fishing rod and tackle box and come on out to Brandon, Manitoba. We got the best fishing spot in southwestern Manitoba. Things are still holding up okay over here by the looks of it. Right here, they got extra sand, extra bags going. You can see where they're packing it in, where it's been flooded already coming through. It looks like everything's getting closed down at the Corral Center, and it's not of any surprise when you purchase land that has been flooded land in the past. You should expect this at the minimum. It looks like we got sand coming in right now. More bags of sand. That's what these trucks are. Brandon, Manitoba, not really the place you want to be right now. Things are getting kind of messy, but overall, we'll get by. We always do. Water everywhere. First Street is closed. We have the water is rising right now, and as you can see over here, it's getting closer to the houses, to the school. Looks like they've been building up these dikes here that we ventured through in my last video. It looks like Kirkcaldy might even be totally cut off. Kirkcaldy is closed off. The water has risen to the top of the dike, and they've added on top of it. So threat time has begun. We were up here on Thursday. It is now Monday, and we will see the difference in comparison. The water has flooded huge in the rivers. They've added to Saskatchewan. They've added from Saskatchewan into here. All the stores in this mall are now closed. They've been sandbagging everywhere they can. And it's a moment of truth coming up right away because the water's still rising. Coming down 18th Street north towards the south, you can see they've cut things down to one lane of traffic for either direction. And we're being bumped over to the east side of the highway. Flooding is immense. We have a lot of water going on right now. First Street is totally closed off, and it looks like this mall's being threatened too. everybody's got sandbags, doing what they can. You can see this water is right up to the road here. Here's the river right here. Everybody's doing what they can though. The water is going to be going over top of these sandbags soon. I think these guys in Montana knew what was coming, because what we have against the road here isn't going to hold. It'll be interesting if they'll be able to keep up to. As you see here, the water is getting through already, and it's only a matter of time. They've been adding on to the dikes here. And adding on to these bags here, they put another row up since we were by here Thursday. And if you look over, we're already very threatened for water coming in. Things are bad. Across the river here. We're still lucky enough to do so today. It's Monday. I don't know how much longer this will be holding up for before you have to go around the town. You see here that the water is threatening to come in and start threatening these businesses over here. They're building up on the dike, but it's going to be a tough battle to beat once that starts coming in. Businesses have closed down and taken everything. Right now we're heading down Stickney Avenue in Brandon towards the east where the river comes close again. And this is all flood area right here. Everybody has until 8 p.m. tonight to get out. So people are starting to pack their things and do what they can. As you see here, how high the river is and where these houses are, that entire area all the way to the west of this is being threatened of being submerged by the river. We have a lot of water going on. This is not good.